Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Chevy Malibu. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a jack with jack stands for safety. Make sure you have the correct type of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and quicker. Safety is key, so always use jack stands. Now that you're prepared, it's time to get under the car. Safely lift your Chevy Malibu using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it, then carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old oil drain completely, which might take several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, it's time for the new filter. Carefully remove the old oil filter, remembering there might be a little residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter, then screw it on by hand until it's snug. Don't over-tighten. Reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's tight but not stripped. Finally, pour in the new engine oil through the fill cap, typically around 5 quarts. After adding the new oil, lower your car and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add a little more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.